Hey, what's up, everyone? Thank you for joining us. All right, today we're basically going to be talking about 3 different ways that you can get your game audio or any type of audio split while you're streaming. Doesn't matter if you what platform you're streaming on, but I will say this is specifically for OBS. Streamlabs, this hasn't been tested yet. So first of all, let's give a great shout out to Bosby. I think that's the correct name for the user who came out with this great OBS plugin. The link will be in the description below for it and also in the info card. Now this is a fairly new item to plugin to use in your OBS, and it basically shortens a process that you do in Wavemeter, and it's better. I wouldn't say it's better. It's a different approach than using Wavelink. You can basically split your audio completely in OBS and allow for a easier control and management of your software. Before we get started, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and a follow. This will ensure that you get free early access to our OBS plugin reviews and streamer tips to help out for any future streaming content going on. Now let's get started. We all know the two reigning champs, Wavemeter, with their complicated software, although it is useful if you have the time and management to understand the software and all its complexity. And then the not so free version using an Elgato Wavelink software. Great products on their own. They both have their pros and cons, as of anything in life. The third option now is using a simple OBS plugin that will basically give you the bare minimum controls and splitting up your audio, allowing you to use maybe a Go XLR, a Stream Deck, whichever device you use to control your audio, and maybe a little bit more refined method of doing it. While the plugin is still in its earlier development stages, it shows great promise in allowing us to, in the very basic roots right now, to split the audio that we need. Now there might be some bugs that we might stumble across, but as anything that's coming out that's fresh, it's known it's gonna happen. So I think it's one of those bittersweet pills you gotta swallow while you get what you need. So first off, if anything, go ahead and download the plugin and connect that to your OBS. The link for the plugin will also be in the description below. Once you've completed installing the plugin application, go ahead and open up your OBS and then make sure that you select the scene. I would preferably say pick up test scene. Within that test scene, you go to sources and you can go ahead and add a source. Within adding a source, you go to application audio capture. In there, you can make a new scene basically. So we're gonna test 3. If I can spell correctly, there you go. Test 3. Within test 3, now we get to choose capture specific window, select the application we want to do, so we'll say Spotify, and then set it to the third option, which is match title, otherwise the same executable. Now we want to do that to ensure that whatever application we're using gets captured to the fullest and there's no issues with that. Even if we change the song type, or we select YouTube and we change the channel from Spotify to Apple Music, it depends on how you are. If you have all 4 or 5 streaming apps for music, you're good to go. Once ahead, you go ahead and select that, hit OK. And now go ahead and click on, now you'll be able to see an audio mixer, your audio split. As you see here, I've already gone ahead and done that for a few of mine: Chrome, Discord, Firefox, Game Capture, Mic, and Spotify. So go ahead and split your audio. Once you split your audio, you can actually make it easier to move this through your other scenes by right clicking everything and grouping the select into a page. Obviously we can't use that one, but we understand the basics of what's going on here. So now that you have that, you can easily copy and paste that into your other scenes as necessary. Now, if you want to be able to hear the audio or whatever is playing still and not let your viewers hear, you simply just turn off the icon here. And as you see, it disappears from the side here. Therefore, you're able to hear the game audio, but it's not being replicated. Let's test this out really quick. Now, with having this level of control, you're able to view and apply filters as needed and get creative with your own streaming, what kind of content you can develop with this. So I hope this is a new method that's kind of making its around to especially new streamers, small streamers alike. Even top streamers could probably add this to their setup just to kind of get a little creative with their content. So again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If this helps you out, if you have any comments, please let me know. Drop a comment, a like, and we'll be able to view other OBS plugins that's going to help make our lives easier. Thank you for being here and watching. I'll see you guys later. Again, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, 6 to 9 on most days if I'm not running behind making the video or editing. All right, thanks for being here. Bye.